Welcome back to How to Cake It. I'm Yolanda, and this week I'm making a banoffee pie mega cake. If you don't know what banoffee pie is, you're in for a treat. So I have baked 3 banana cakes. That's my favorite. 3 banana cakes. 2 of them have a graham crust baked right underneath the cake batter. If you want to see exactly how I made them, you can head to my blog by clicking here. I actually feel weird doing this when I'm not sitting in the sprinkle chair. I baked the 2 cakes with the graham cracker crust in a cake pan that has a removable bottom. So to take the cake out, instead of flipping it, I just press the sides down, and then I carefully use a spatula to just separate it from the base and slide the cake onto a cake board. So now with this cake layer, which is higher than the other 2, I'm going to level it and cut it in half. I'm also gonna level my 2 cakes with the graham cracker crust. Guys, we're gonna have banana cake scraps.
Just trying to make us feel better about not having the entire cake.
I'm giving you scraps. I announced to Orhan before we started, and Cody, that I'm keeping this cake for once and taking it to a family dinner. And he's bitter. Well, you feel like the audience, they can't have any either, but you're welcome to make one for yourself. It's time to simple syrup these cakes, but they are banana cakes, so I'm just gonna do it really lightly. These cakes don't really need you. They have the banana for moisture. I know you're important, but just take it easy today. You can also watch Sir Squeeze on VH1 Divas next week. Hello. No, okay. The next thing I want to do is spread my Italian meringue buttercream onto the surface of each one of my cake layers and chill it, because there's a really delicious topping going on top, and I just want them to be prepared. I just want to neaten up the sides of the buttercream. Surprise! So I'm going to run my small spatula around the edge and then just pull the excess in. I'm going to place this layer in the fridge and do the same to the other 3 layers. Oh, wait a minute. I technically didn't need to buttercream this one.
Is it the last?
It's the top. I got so carried away icing these cakes, I realized I shouldn't have iced this top layer because it's going to be inverted onto the top. So now I'm going to scrape away this beautiful buttercream. Never fear, I'll use it for my crumb coat. It won't be wasted.
Good, isn't it? Not really.
Sort of. I'll put it in the fridge. I'm so sorry for what I did to you. That was unnecessary. Banana! I wish we could put minions in the video. Banana? Bananas. That's what's next. I'm gonna peel them and I'm going to slice them. Let's get some footage of that. Once they're sliced, I'm going to lay them all onto a baking tray. Then I'm going to sprinkle on some brown sugar, and Mr. Burns is going to help me brûlée them. Or is he? Yes, he is. Make sure to let your brûlée banana slices cool completely before layering them in your cake. We don't want to melt those buttercream beds we created. Welcome back. Now we're gonna fill this cake. I am starting with a cake layer on the bottom that has the graham crust, and now I'm going to carefully arrange my sliced brûlée bananas onto this buttercream. For more toffee, what I have here is I slow cooked condensed milk. And what you get is this rich toffee. Can you see how rich that is?
Cody almost drops the camera.
If you want more details on how to make this yourself, click here. I'm going to place my homemade toffee or caramelized condensed milk into a piping bag with a tip so that I can pipe it over my bananas. I just want to face plant into this. Can I do that? I feel like that would be entertaining. I want it to be very like, watch. Ready? Now I'm going to lay this cake layer on top of this beautiful creation. This layer of cake is just cake, no graham crust, and buttercream. And remember, this is a banoffee pie inspired mega cake. So what banoffee pie is a combination of bananas and toffee. I'm going to repeat this 2 more times, filling my cake with a layer of bananas, a piping of toffee, and then I'll add the top layer. Remember, this one has a graham crust. So I'm gonna flip it over very carefully and add it to the top. Oh, no! No! Get it, why would you try to escape? This is a paradise. It's time to crumb coat and chill. If you love crumb coating and chilling as much as I do, you can pick up a deluxe crumb coat and chill bundle over at howtocake.com. It comes with this apron. It does not come with my megaphone. My crumb coat is chilling, and I'm planning on icing the cake in Italian meringue buttercream and then pressing on this goodness. These are banana chips. They're made from banana and they have like a sweet coating. These are plantain chips. So a plantain is like a type of banana, but it's more of a savory food, and they fry it into chips and salt it. Crush them up and press it into my buttercream.
What's it called? The banana's exotic cousin?
A plantain.
Plantain.
Some Netflix and chill.
Yeah, that's
I'm gonna trade in my crumb coat and chill for Netflix and chill. Can you please hold this still for me? Thank you. Smile at the people, Orhan. There you go.
Should I just smile the entire time?
Yeah, be really weird and awkward smiling, like a statue. Oh, I forgot. I just remembered about the graham crust when I put my hand on it. Even if I were to wreck it, even if a banana chip falls off, I'll just pick up another banana chip and put it in the cake. You know, like when they're smooth and I move them, I'm always scared. Hello? Okay, you can go sit back down. Thank you so much for your help. And then I'm gonna put some buttercream in a piping bag and top this like a pie. I'm going to chill this cake, guys, because I wanna add even more buttercream.
Did you just touch
Look what happened.
Can we see the damage? Yes, you can see it.
Stop it! I'm gonna hide it later with decorations.
Yolanda.
Yes? Oh, you are as beautiful as I remember. I'm going to recreate the same swirls, but closer inside now. Swirl every night. Gonna have to face it, you're addicted to pie, babe. That doesn't work. Yes, that's true. We are almost hitting 4 million here at How to Cake It. We're so excited. I'm still short 4 years in, but when we hit 4 million, we're gonna have a live stream party and you are all invited. There's gonna be sweet giveaways and celebrating and buttercream. You get buttercream and you get buttercream. So please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and share the word. Everyone's invited to the party. And now I'm gonna complete this cake by adding my twisted toffees and I think some banana chips. You know what this cake doesn't have? Banana chips. I have a selection of my finest banana chips and I'm going to add them here. You're really beautiful. Yes, take her all in. So I added more banana, but now I need to add more toffee because it's banoffee. I don't know what to call these, but I like them. They're abstract. They're very like Dr. Seussy. You know what I mean? I will eat banoffee pie, that's the problem. And I'd eat it in a car, and I'd eat it on a plane, and I'd eat it on a bus and on a train.
Whoa, yo.
What?
I wasn't done the shot yet.
You're done. They've seen it. I can't wait any longer. I'm going in. You ready, Cody? Oh my.
Just hold it.
I don't think I can. Thanks for watching today. We are about to hit 4 million subscribers. Thank you so much. If you're subscribed, if you're not subscribed, you can just click to do that. I'll leave this slice here. You guys can try this. Now I am taking this cake to a party. Oh, I might not even share at the party.
Okay, Cody, so I think since I'm
Whoa, hold on. Can you just hold this for a sec?
Yeah. No, that's not fair. Cody, come back here.
That's really good.
That was amazing.